Our kitchen is our playground and we always make it a point to cook dinner at least twice a week after work. So we make a perfect team to prepare the dishes together and have the food ready by 7:30 p.m. every night. Hello everyone, my name is Siong and this is my wife Jiaxing. And today we'll be cooking steamed chicken with lapcheong and steamed egg. It's simple to make and it's healthy too. First, I'll start to prepare the chicken and my wife will prepare the ginger and the Chinese sausage. Add in all the seasoning into the chicken and mix them evenly. Transfer them into the steaming plate, lay the ginger and Chinese sausage on it, and let the chicken marinate for at least 20 minutes. We love this recipe because it is simple to prepare and cook. Okay, next, let's prepare the egg. Get a steaming bowl and add all the ingredients in. I remember there was once Jiaxing and I had the moment of inspiration and we wanted to have healthy dinner every night. So we did meal prep. We cooked all our meals on Sunday and freeze it for the entire week. It was fun, but it was so tedious, and we decided to stop after 2 weeks. Alright, all the dishes are ready. I'll set the Brand steam oven at 30 minutes. It will preheat for the first 3 minutes, and after which, I'll put all my dishes in and cook for the remaining time. While the dishes are steaming, we will prepare some spring onion to be used for garnish later. And we're done! Presenting to you our steamed chicken with Chinese sausage and steamed egg. It is healthy, delicious, and most importantly, it's easy to prepare. Hope you'll like our recipes and start cooking today!